Hi, I'm Lars from Trendlog. In this video, I will unbox the Trendlog Collect box. The Trendlog Collect box is an easy-to-use, all-in-one data logger that can be mounted on all kinds of production line and machinery and pick up valuable information about the production and send those data to the Trendlog cloud. I will open up the box. I will put out the different items on the table here, and then we will go through the different items and what they are for one by one. Let's go. Here is an inlay card with a QR code. The nice Trendlog logo. Okay. Cables in the bottom. 2 signal cables, a power cable, and some mounting brackets. The first thing is the inlay card. The inlay card has a QR code that you can scan and get direct access to all the documentation regarding the Trendlog Collect box, but also a lot of documentation about the Trendlog system. Regarding the Trendlog Collect box, you have information about the user guides. It could be a mounting instruction, it can be data sheets, and so on. The Trendlog Collect box is the next one. Here we see some plugins where we can plug in the cables. First one we see up here is the Ethernet connector. The box can be connected to existing Ethernet. It can also be connected through Wi-Fi as well. It has the signal input from the machines. The first one up here is the running signal, where we can monitor when the machine is running and when it's stopped. And the next one here is the count signal from the machine. It could be from an existing signal from a machine, or it could also be from a photocell that we install on the line. And the last one here is the power input. The power cord to be connected to the machine. It comes with 2 signal cables with M12 plug-in that can be connected to the box and to the machine. And the last thing we have here is some bracket that can use and put into the holes on the back side of the box so that the box can be mounted on the wall. That's all that's in the box. The next video, I will show you how you can actually connect the Trendlog box to a Wi-Fi network. If you want to have more information about the Trendlog system, please go to trendlog.io. You can get tons of information about what the Trendlog solution can do for you. Thank you for watching this video.